I'm making some neck bones. I put some browning in here, a little browning. I'm going to season the same way I season my oxtail. Some oxtail seasoning. Put some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some adobe. I don't have any fresh thyme, so I'm going to put some thyme leaves. I'm going to put some paprika. I'm going to put a little ginger. Just a little. And a little turmeric. And some sazon. I'm going to mix that in real good. Then I'm going to sear them in a frying pan. Then I'm going to put them in the oven to bake them. These are pork neck bones. I'm going to pour some beef gravy, beef stock over them. And first we're going to brown them. I don't have gloves on because I'm not cooking this for anyone. This is for myself. All right. So now we'll take them. I forgot to say, I put a little black pepper on them. I forgot to put the black pepper. Okay, now you're going to sear them. So, to the stove. Got my frying pan on. And I'm going to get the heat on it. Gotta hear that fan on top because I'm in an apartment building. And the alarm goes off real easy in these apartments because it's small. So we'll be back soon as we get the grease hot enough to stir them. Okay, we're back, and now we're gonna sear them. I think before the video went on, I said we're gonna stir them. I didn't mean stir them. We're gonna sear them. Okay, we got some nices here, and now we're gonna put them in a pan and put them in the oven. We'll be right back with more of Cooking with Auntie Paulette. Don't forget, keep subscribing. Hey guys, so I cooked these neck bones for about 10 hours in the oven. They're nice and tender. As you can see, they're delicious. And I made some yellow rice with it and some corn. The yellow rice is nothing but this yellow rice you buy from the store. It's seasoned, it's very good. And that is my little meal. Them neck bones are slamming. Guys, I'm back. I sliced some onion to put on top. And I got some red bell peppers. I'm going to put over it. And I'm going to wrap them up. I got the oven on 375. And we're going to cook them into the tender. So I think it's going to take about 4 to 6 hours. All right, guys, we'll be back with more of Cooking with Auntie Paulette. Okay, guys, I got them all nice and seared. And now I'm going to pour some beef broth. Okay, I said beef broth. I got some beef stock. I'm going to pour it over those. So we can cook in them. I got the oven on 375. Okay. I normally do them in the crock pot, but this time I'm doing them in the oven. Okay, I'm going to cut up some bell pepper and onion and put it on top, and I'll be back.